In this video, I'll show you how to record Clash Royale on your PC in full screen without capturing the Windows background. For this, we will use OBS Studio. I'm running Clash Royale through the Google Play Games beta. It's important to open the game first before starting the recording in OBS. This method may also work for other games on Google Play Games. First, let's open OBS with a double click. With OBS open, go to the File tab. Select Settings. Now, go to Video to change the resolution. Change the default resolution from 1920 by 1080 to 1080 by 1920, as Clash Royale is in portrait mode. Also, change the output resolution to 1080 by 1920. Click on OK. Go to the plus symbol. Now, select Game Capture. Name it as you like, and click OK. Uncheck the Capture Cursor option to avoid recording the mouse. In Mode, select Capture Specific Window. In Window, select Clash Royale. Click on OK. Now, adjust the game size in the capture window. Now you can start recording by clicking on Start Recording. But first, a warning. For the sound to be recorded, desktop audio must be present and enabled in the Audio Mixer tab. In my case, it's disabled. If your Audio Mixer tab is empty, go to File. Select Settings. Go to Audio. Desktop audio should be set to default. Finally, click OK. Here, I will close it. Here's a quick look at how the recording turns out. The Windows background does not appear. Done. Now you know how to record Clash Royale in full screen on OBS without the Windows background showing. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment below and I'll reply. See you next time.